kids.
I
Go
guarantee
get
you
your
that.
kids. I guarantee you wasn't in your kids' life like that. I guarantee you that.
I
Because
guarantee you,
Prime
you are,
had your
I
ass.
guarantee, I
Prime
guarantee
had you
you,
ass
I
to seat,
guarantee
nigga.
you are a bald face ass lie.
Shit.
How about that? I
Well, go
guarantee
get
you,
him.
you are a
Go
bald face
get
ass
him.
lie.
I'm calling mine now.
Why would the
Hold
fuck
on.
would I? Why
Hold
would
on.
the fuck would I bring
Hold
my
on.
kids to a
Slow it
bitch
down,
ass
y'all.
puss ass nigga like you?
Oh boy.
Why would I do that?
Oh boy.
Since you want to bring
Cause you know
kids
you
in the
lying.
mix,
Cause you
why
know
in
you
the fuck
lying.
would I
Cause you
bring
know
my
you lying.
kids into a
Cause you know
mix
you
with a
lying.
bitch ass
Cause you
puss
know you
ass nigga
lying.
like you?
Cause you know you lying.
Man,
Cause you
when
know
did
you
No,
your
I
lying.
ain't. I
goddamn
You
don't lie
can't
car?
do
about
it.
shit. You can go to my social media and see that
You
I'm in
lying.
my kids' life
No, you
every
said you
fucking
gonna
day.
bring them up
You
here.
puss
You
ass,
said you
bitch
gonna bring
ass
them up
nigga.
here.
How
You said
about
you
this?
gonna bring
How
them
about
up
this?
here.
You
Shit.
just a
You
loud
said you
ass,
gonna bring
puss
them up here,
ass,
nigga.
bitch
Just
ass
check it
nigga.
out,
You
Bob.
said
Just
you gonna.
check
You
it
a
out, Bob.
loud
I
ass,
done got
puss
him in his
ass,
feelings. He
bitch
can't get his
ass
kids.
nigga.
Tyler, where
I
you at?
got
Where you at, Tyler?
$1,000 that say
Hey,
that
come on,
you
hit the link.
can't go settlement for
Hit the link.
settlement with me. How
Get
about
on
that?
StreamYard.
I'm on
Oh,
StreamYard.